Guys, malapit na matapos ng 10, 10, and 10, 11. So if you have travel plans, you have to book na kasi nga marami kang discount. Guys, you have to use Shopback. Kahapon nag-book lang ako ng isang SIM card. Isipin mo, tingnan mo, 40 pesos kaagad ang cashback ko dyan sa SIM card na yan. So 10-10 kasi malaki talaga ang sale ng 10-10 for Shopback. For example, Agoda mo 8% ang cashback mo dyan. Klook mo 8% cashback. Dati 3% lang yan. Traveloka 9%, Trip.com 10% cashback. Ang lalaki. So guys, sa Klook, ang pinakamalaking cashback mo will be the hotels. And I'm telling you, mas mura talaga when you book via Klook because I did a video previously about that and nakita nyo mas mura talaga siya versus others. Reminder, when you use Shopback, to get that cashback, you have to go to Shopback first and then you have to click on Klook and then click on Go to App. Dapat ganun yan or else wala kang cashback. And guys, ang kagandahan dyan, if you use my promo code sa Klook, guys, you get 5% off pa. And yung cashback mo is on top of that discount code ko pa. So when you book, make sure you use the promo code plus use Shopback para bongga ka sa cashback. Favorite tip ko is ikaw mag-book, sa'yo yung cashback